back to another episode of Rosengold. I'm your host, IK, and right now I'm enjoying this lovely breeze, getting a good bike ride in.
Ain't nothing but a G-thing, baby.
But let's get into our hot topics. And for today, they're going to be short and sweet because I've got places to be and things to do. But let's get into our first hot topic with the Grammys.
Man, let's get straight to it.
Kanye West, of course, wasn't invited.
Hey, come on, baby! Come on! Yes! Come on!
This is a thumbs up for the Grammys. Kanye shouldn't have been invited, and he wasn't, which is good. But Beyonce was there. She got the most awards for the night, which I think Beyonce should let the new generation in, usher them in, like Dr. Ross and I. But still, I love to see Miss Beyonce out there getting hers and doing her thing.
And I'm trying to just receive this night.
Beyonce got a standing ovation for her 32nd Grammy.
We'd love to be in one of your next music videos, Miss Beyonce. That's for you. So Madonna was at the Grammys. She was looking very nice, and she was doing her thing. She was playa. Madonna is always out there looking stylish.
Donna, how good is it to be here tonight?
Pretty good.
We caught Madonna backstage too. Her look has definitely evolved in the 24 years since her Grammy debut.
Let's get to our next hot topic with Kim Kardashian. So Kim, she is releasing her SKIMS line, a pop-up store in Los Angeles at the Westfield store. I'm excited to see what Kim does with this, but Kim is a money maker. She's slick, she's hustling, and she knows how to do it. So Kim, keep on doing you.
Can you believe that?
These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you all on the next episode of Rosengold. Kim, I'd love to be the male model for SKIMS.
Like it's hot, drop it like it's hot.
These were all of our hot topics, but we'll see you in the next episode of Rosengold.